Where have you been all my life? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca. Today I am going to share with you some new e.l.f. products and also something I literally am obsessed with, and it's such a stupid thing to say because I say that all the time. I guess I just need a playlist of obsessed with it. But I get really excited when I find new little doodads that just make my life easier. And by my life easier, I mean applying makeup. Because if something was actually making my life easier, my house would be clean. This is from e.l.f. It is called the Wing It Liner Brush. It's different than a detail brush where it's just, you know, like for eyebrows. We've had these eyebrow brushes forever where it's an angle. But this one has a light curvature to it. So small, dense, thin, and a little curved. So I'm gonna give you a winged lined look, which I never do. So when I say this is life-changing, it changes everything, that's what I'm talking about. Because now maybe I can feel like a proper beauty guru influencer person who wears fancy eye makeup. We shall see. But I do have some other e.l.f. products to share with you. So we're gonna do that, and I'm a little bit up close and personal today so that you can see what I'm doing. Shadow primer. We're gonna start with that. I have all my makeup on, sort of. I think they replaced that formula that I love that came in the tube that was $2. This is very affordable, and I purchased this on their website, and it's nice. It does feel very grippy, and I'm using my Everyday Smoky, is that what it's called? And I'm going to just kind of really quickly create a very easy eyeshadow look with some just neutral shades, just like every day what I do for hooded lids. I keep buying spares of these. This is the Fluffy Eye Brush, Fluffy Eye Blender, and I love it. I love this Fluffy Eye Blender. It's so good for everything. This brush is just so good. It's soft, it has a nice, it manipulates easily, so I just really like it. I have the bite size one, and I think I'm going to use that too. These colors, look at this. Could it be any better? All right, so we have just done a simple shadow look, and I'm gonna leave it the way it is so far. There is a very dark charcoal in this palette, which I think I will sketch it out first with that, but I also am going to just pull out a different palette. This happens to be the Natasha Denona, because this black shadow is very dense, and you can also use this in cream products. So and you can use it in any color you want, but I'm gonna show you what I do, because you've seen me do this with the eyeliners, like the Prime Prometics that I love. And then now I'm going to just show you with shadow. Okay, so the thing about this brush that, you know, I'm just sort of teaching it myself, is that I've noticed, so the way you can hold it to really get that flick, or just a nice sort of extension of your liner. It doesn't need to be a lot, especially with hooded eyes, especially with any kind of crepiness. I totally get that, but just to kind of give it a little more emphasis so that you get kind of that sassy feel. Okay, so if you just kind of blink it out like so, using the lower lash line as your guide. And by that, I mean how the curvature of your lower lash line, just pretend that's gonna keep going up. And then you won't go too far downward or outward or any of those things that really trick us up and get us messed up. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like that on this side too. So, and make sure you have the brush flat instead of kind of twisted. You want it perpendicular to your face. And I actually think I did a better job. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Do I have it? Okay, yeah. Right? Right? So that is just like baby steps. We've just got baby steps. Okay, so I'm actually going to use this black shadow right while I have it here. And we are gonna just go along. See how I have to make sure the brush, you want the brush perpendicular to your lid instead of like this. It just deposits the product. Really hope this is in focus. So I also, because I like to be multi-purpose, you can do it this way, where you take a brush along here on the pencil. You can use a potted cream liner if you want. And sometimes this just helps it last a little longer. Okay, right? So I have even taken, you can take like a gray shade, you know, something that's not too dark. Just let's do But did you guys see this brush? Also from e.l.f. Got it on their website. Sometimes the drugstores where e.l.f. is carried, or Ulta, it's like some of the brushes aren't all on the display. So that's why it's really great to get them on their website. Okay, so this particular brush is for nose and contour, and it's dual-ended, but I am going to use it to blend this out. So I like to have something that is a bit soft and blurred on my lower lash line. But this is also good for, you know, contouring. So I have my Denesamyrix cream. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Wow. I mean, that is some contour. And then, ready? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love this brush. Wow. There. Okay. Wow. Wow. Am I right? We can go a little further. I haven't done this one yet. Okay, we're going back with that brush. Where'd she go? If you took setting spray on your brush and then put it in the powder, you would really have a very concentrated. So I'm going into the Natasha Denona black, and I'm going over where I already went. And I forgot. See how that just, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I told you I'm obsessed. Now, don't hate me because I'm going to use my Iris and Romeo mascara that I can't get enough of because it's gorgeous and it makes my lashes really wispy. I'm going to do that off camera, but before I do that, I'm going to show you the new e.l.f. lip pencils. I don't remember. I think I shared these when I did the satin foundation, but I am still just over the moon with them. The e.l.f. just has never really done lip liners that I love, and now I love these, so yay. Oh, I know what I'm going to show you. They have SPF lip glosses. You guys, you know how much I love SPF on my lips, right? And if you don't know, then there you go. Now you do. I love these. They have SPF 25. They have pigment. They stay. I have the peachy one in my purse and I love it. I'll have to link the color of this one. Little sticky, little thick. Doesn't bother me because I'm like, yes, protect me from the sun. Okay, I'm gonna put mascara on. Don't hate me. Like I said, it's not cheap. All right, folks. I mean, oh, I need to powder a little bit. My cheeks are really cheeky. Ready. And there you are with everything that I absolutely adore from e.l.f. right now. And this brush. This brush is like, I'm definitely going to get a spare because the way I lose things, it would make me sad if I lost this. But I just think that I feel like, okay, so I keep elevating my game, so to speak, and I am still a fan of this tight lining because it doesn't smudge or irritate. So, you know, I will list everything. I will probably list it from the e.l.f. website just because it's usually there available. But if you're out and about shopping, of course, and you find it at Ulta or Target or anywhere else, then fun for you. And I will also list shades because I know sometimes I don't show those or say them out loud, but you know. Okay, guys, that is everything. Thank you so much. I hope you subscribe to my channel because I try to bring you just fun stuff that's helpful and easy, entertaining, laid back, you know. All right. Okay, cool. Take care. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.